Hi everyone, this is Rima here and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about that what happens when you cut the apple and it turns into brown in color, right? And I'm going to perform an experiment which will slow down the process of browning in the apple. So let's talk about apple. So apple consists of the enzyme that is phenolase and phenol. So when the apple, that is the plant tissue, it gets injured, the enzymatic reaction taking place. So because of the biochemical reaction which is taking place when it get exposed to the oxygen present in the air, it results in the enzymatic browning. Okay, so what happens is basically the oxidative reaction taking place. So the oxygen which is present in the air, it gets reacted with the enzyme that is present in the apple. So as a result, the phenolase, it reacts, it changes the phenol into the melanin, and which causes the brown color of the apple. So, can we slow down the process of browning in the apple? Yes, there are various ways like which we can use to slow down the process of browning in the apple. So, one of the way is like you can apply the lime juice into the cut piece of the apple. You will see that it will slow down the process of enzymatic reaction. That is, it will not turn brown in color after cutting. So, another is like you can keep the cut pieces of the apple in the water where you have mixed the salt water. Okay, for example, salt water, it will also prevent the browning of the apple. So another way is that you can use milk. Okay, it has been seen that milk contains the casein, that is the calcium, which also prevents the slowing process or the browning of the apple. So here in this video I have performed one experiment with milk and vinegar to see that which results in the slow process of the browning of the apple. So watch this video, and if you like it, do like it and also subscribe to my channel. So let's do the experiment. So here I took a apple cider vinegar and milk to perform this experiment. So I'm going to cut the apple into equal pieces. So after cutting the apple, one of the slice I will be putting it, I'll dip it into the vinegar and another in the milk. So you will see that the piece of apple which is in the vinegar, it turned into brownish in color quickly, whereas the piece of apple which will be in the milk, it will it will slow down the process, that is the milk will slow down the process of browning. So why it is? Because milk contain casein lipid coatings which provide protection to the cell walls of apple, preventing the reaction of oxygen and moisture loss. So as you can see, the apple in the vinegar and the milk, so the apple piece of apple which is in the vinegar, it turned into reddish brown in color, right? Whereas in the milk, that is, it is still intact, isn't it? So this is all